Help me feed my ectomomyrmex zhengi queen. I start by crushing the cricket. Opening the setup. Placing in the cricket. Here you can see that the cricket started moving, which means I didn't crush it properly. I highly discourage live feeding unless you're feeding to a poneromorph or myrmecine, which are natural hunters. Even then, this can injure the ants and is a very painful death for the feeder. The queen mostly ignored the food, which she usually does. She only starts cutting into it around 2 to 3.5 hours after the feeding. Warning, I have pre-prepared footage of her stinging a cricket. If you are against that, pause or skip to the end of the video.